In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Submit Another Response link. If you use Google Forms to collect registrations, surveys, or quizzes, you might want to keep respondents from immediately submitting the form again. By default, Google Forms shows a Submit Another Response link on the confirmation page after someone sends their answers. Turning that off helps reduce accidental duplicates and keeps the end of the form experience clean and focused. Start by opening your form in Google Forms. You can do this from your Google Drive or by going directly to the Forms homepage and selecting the form you want to edit. Once the form is open, look along the top for the Settings tab. This is where Google groups options that control how your form behaves after someone submits it. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Presentation. There's a small downward arrow to the right of the name. Click that arrow to expand the section so you can see all the presentation controls. In this panel, look for the option that says Show Link to Submit Another Response. Toggle that switch off. As soon as you do, the change is saved automatically, and the Submit Another Response link will no longer appear on the confirmation screen for new submissions. Here's what that means in practice. After someone fills out your form and hits Submit, they'll see your confirmation message without the extra link inviting them to send another entry. This doesn't delete or modify any responses, and it doesn't change your questions or layout. It only adjusts what appears at the very end. If you use a custom confirmation message, that message will still display exactly as you wrote it. A quick tip. If you want to double check your change, click the preview icon at the top to open a test view of your form, submit a sample response, and confirm that the link no longer shows. If you collaborate with others, remember that editors on the form share the same setting, so anyone with edit access can turn it on or off. Also note, hiding the link does not fully prevent someone from submitting the form again if they revisit the form URL. If you truly need to restrict multiple submissions, consider additional controls in Google Forms, such as limiting responses to one per signed-in user, which requires sign-in. But for most use cases where you just want a cleaner finish and fewer back-to-back entries, turning off the Submit Another Response link is exactly what you need. That's it. Open your form, go to Settings, expand Presentation, and switch off the link. Simple, fast, and effective.